but regular pillows definitely won't help me with it. Vicky is ready to sink into depression, but her friend appears with an interesting balloon in her hands. It's a big stress ball, and it will put you into a good mood. Pour silicate stationery glue into a big container and squeeze out a bit of shaving foam. Mix it. Add acrylic paint and liquid washing product, Persil color gel. Mix it thoroughly to get a slime consistency and add glitter. Cut a big plastic bottle and make a funnel. Pull a big balloon onto the neck of the bottle and put the slime in it. Tie the balloon. Vicky really likes the balloon. It feels like some kind of magical mass when you touch it. She has already come up with an idea on how to use it. You may use this stress ball for a workout, like ab exercises, and lift it instead of dumbbells. This is how a stress ball turns into a fitness ball, because working out reduces stress too. I want to cover a piece of bread with chocolate spread, but there is a surprise waiting for me in the fridge. My Nutella has a big sister now. I'm so lucky! Paint a big plastic jar in brown so that it looks like Nutella. Paint the lid in white. Cover the jar with clear spray when the paint is dry. It will create a shiny effect. Print out a Nutella label and attach it on top. Mix silicate stationery glue and white glue in a container. Mix it and add brown acrylic paint. Add the liquid washing product, Persil color gel, to the mixture. Stir the mixture to get a slime consistency. Prepare 2 portions of slime in this way and fill the Nutella jar with it to the top. I struggle to open the Nutella Giantella jar. But there is a disappointment waiting for me inside. There is a weird mass instead of chocolate spread inside. My friend hurries up to calm me down. A gigantic slime lives inside the Nutella jar. It is great fun to play with it. You can even cover the entire table with the chocolate paste. And the most important thing is that there are no dirty traces after this Nutella. Redhead has gotten completely cold. Neither a blanket, nor a snowball, or a tanning salon membership can warm her up. And Vicky is warmed up by the thought of a summer vacation. This is why she changes a winter ball for a summer one quickly. Aloha Flamingo! Take a big clear jar with a lid. Cover it with white acrylic paint. Cut a foam plastic ball to fit the size of the jar and hot glue it inside. Paint the foam plastic in gold. Sprinkle it with dry sand while the acrylic paint is still wet. Press the sand with your fingers a bit and cover it with clear spray on top to secure it. Sprinkle with gold glitter. Take an empty EOS container. Take a wire and shape it into a flamingo neck and crossed flamingo legs. Make the figure voluminous with hot glue. Cool down the hot glue in water and shape it into a head and a neck. Attach the details to an EOS container. Stick the flamingo into foam plastic and paint the figure with pink nail polish. Cover the beak, legs, and eyes with black. Draw a purple wing from the side. Make accents with white acrylic paint. Attach artificial grass and stones to the sand. Put fluffy pom-poms with Lurex inside the jar and colorful glitter. Pour glycerol inside and fill it with water to the top and close it with the flamingo lid and turn the jar over. Endless Summer in the jar warms up Redhead at once. She got carried away with the flamingo that she didn't even notice her friend disappearing. Meet you at the resort! Did you like our big stress-relieving ideas? Then write in your comments how you calm your nerves down. Do you play with a gigantic Nutella? Need Mentos candies? Or meditate and wait for a hot summer? And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new ideas on the Troom Troom channel.